Hey Spoolies, I'm Myers from Urban Spools, and today we're going to be making a furry friend. So first, you're going to get some furry fabric, and you're going to put right sides together, and then we're going to get a marker and we're going to draw a circle on the wrong side of our fabric. And then we're going to make 2 little dots for our eyes. And then we are going to make a little slit with our scissors to then put our eyes in. And we don't want to make it too big or the eyes will fall out. So just a nice little slit, and then we will insert our eyes and we'll just push them in. And there you can see. And then we're going to take the backs and we're just going to press the backs down to make them nice and secure for our little eyes. Then we're going to pin right sides together to get ready to stitch our little friend. And now we're just going to stitch, and remember to leave an opening so that way we can turn it right side out. We're going to stitch all around our circle, and then we're going to trim our threads. And then once we've trimmed our threads, we're going to cut around our circle, making sure we're not getting too close to the seams, but a nice way where we can have our circle. And then we're going to cut little slits around the circle, making sure it's not too close to the seam, but giving it enough to lay flat. And then we'll turn it right side out. Then we're going to get ready to stuff. And we're going to stuff our little furry friend, and you can make it as soft as you would like or as firm. And then once you've got it all stuffed, we will stitch that little opening closed, and you can use any hand sewing technique that you like, just enough to make sure it's going to be nice and secure. Then we're just going to trim the fur around its eyes so that way it can see, and just give it a nice haircut, and there you go.